Hi there, Albytastic here. Today I'm going to tell you a little secret hiding in plain sight which will make fitting a video card to your Z800 a lot quicker and possibly a little cheaper. Now most video cards, or many of them, require one or two 6-pin power plugs, and usually you have to go to eBay and buy an adapter. But the Z800 already has two of these plugs hiding in plain sight. They just don't tell you about them, so a lot of people seem to know about them. And there they are, two 6-pin power plugs, ideal for your video cards, whether you need one or two. Just unclip them, and there they are, and that's it. Simple and easy. Just stick them on your video cards and you're good to go. And there they are, fitted to a video card. Well, it couldn't be much simpler, could it, with the Z800? Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to this channel. There's also a link down below to my last video about fitting an SSD into the hard drive bays of the Z800. Hope you enjoy that as well.